Hello everyone, welcome back to this session. In this particular video, I will be showing that how you can create a front ends as close as similar to an Airbnb. So these are the things that which we will be doing. So that's the index.html, or either you can call it as home page, right? So yeah, so home page will be having this particular drop down. So this will be the calendar, and that's the numerical value, and that will be this particular part will be the destination. And in this particular, we will be adding the featured destination. For this, I am considering only the three verticals, that is the static content of these four top places. And after this, we will be adding one more layout or one more view, and then after that we can add the four sections. And lastly, we'll be adding the support, community, hosting, and Airbnb solutions. And then we can move ahead with the trademarking license for the Airbnb, right? So yeah, this is all that what we will be coding, and we will be coding in the Next.js application. So let's see how it goes. Okay. So yeah, let me open the terminal and let's do the cd desktop mkdir. Let's not get the mkdir, let's make it this command. That's all. And let's move on to the thing, and let's install the additional dependencies. Okay, cool. Let's go to the VS Code. Open the folder, go to the desktop, Airbnb, and these all are the things which is there, right? So now we can create a folder. These are the things. Okay, so in the layout, changing the layout, right? And the page, okay, so yeah, okay, so let's remove this one, right? Let's not add the layout. And yeah, so let's, yeah, 1 second. Yeah. Components folder, footer.tsx, header.tsx, hero.tsx, categories.tsx, and then featured destinations.tsx. So global CSS I'm going to change according to the Airbnb. So I have just already written this thing, right? So this is according to the Airbnb, so I'm using the tailwind, right? So layout page, and let's do the page one, right? So import header, components, header, right? Fix this one. Export default. This is a functional component function header. And this will be in the return. Okay. Const. Now let's move on to the page. So page, these are the import statements, right? Let me write the function export default, function home, return, main, class name, min, screen flex, flex call. So this will be the header component. So this will be the hero. and this will be the feature destination. This will be the listing categories. This will be the footer. Okay. And I guess we are on the same page. It's not a module. Okay, that's fine. Hero, this one, right? So yeah. So now let's do one thing. Let's go to this particular part. So now let's add the code to the footer, right? So first let's complete the header, right? So close this, go to the header. Yeah. Return header, class name, border B, and then div, class name, sorry, flex, items, center, justify between copy this line, right? Okay. Text Airbnb. I don't have the logo right now. Alt BNB width 102. Height 32. Priority. I think we are done most probably. After this we will be adding the button. So div, class name, hidden empty flex, items, center, shadow, rounded, full p2. Yes, exactly, there we go. We need to change the configuration, which is this one, right? So let me change it. So I'll just copy this configuration. I will be pasting it here, and then I have to change the utils as well. Next, tailwind configuration. Okay, utils I have to create. Okay, utils.ts. Okay. So underneath the component, I will be adding one more thing called as UI, and within the UI, I will be adding the button. Okay. So this is the button, right? So button butt1.tsx, and this will be import store as React, store as React from React, import slot from Radix, and const button variants inline flex item center justify center rounded MD font medium ring offset background transition. That's a big one. Let's copy this line out. Let me just copy hold this code and paste it, right? And I think we are mostly done now. Okay. Let's save this tailwind, see what else, right? Cool. So one second, now what we have to add, we have to add the most probably the footer, right? So let's add the footer, that's the header, we have to add the hero, so there we go, the hero, and listing categories. So feature destination, for the feature destination we haven't added the code, right? So let's write it, and I think this should be this is critical problem. input. Oh yeah, we haven't added the input. Yep, we have to add the input here, this part. So let's create a file, tsx import star as react from react, import cn component cn from lib utils, export interface, input props, extend react dot input html attributes, const input to react for ref html input element input props, input. Yeah, okay, I think we are mostly done. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's go to the terminal. So npm start. Okay, npm run dev. Go to Safari. header.txs. Let's give it a try now. Okay, let me Google this. And I will go to the VS Code. Then I will check tailwind config.tsx. Yeah. I think that's the same, right? We don't need to, yeah. So now let's do one thing. Let's install the dependency. Now we'll be running another dev. So let's see how it goes. What? Layout.tsx. What's the problem in layout.tsx? I'm missing one line. Const inter equals to inter. I think now it should be done. Yeah, it's loaded now. So that's all right. So again, this is a very basic page. What is I have shown you, right? But again, feel free to take a look at the GitHub, right? And there will be some problem for sure, because this is the first time I'm doing in Next.js, right? So yeah, so that's all what I have written here, and you feel free to take a look, right? So yeah, I'm pushing this all the code in the GitHub, and make sure that you have any doubts, so do let me know. Okay, thank you all, see you in the next video, bye bye.